What's up guys, welcome to Travel and Tech. I am Alok and in the video let's understand the installation of Oracle 19c on Windows 10. The tutorial will be a step-by-step process and in the first step we will download the setup file from the Oracle official website. Search for download Oracle 19c and click on the link Oracle Database 19c download for Windows x64. The link is also there in the description box. It will redirect you to Oracle official download page where you can download the setup according to your machine operating system. Click on the link to download and a pop-up will appear to accept the term and conditions. Accept it and then click on download. If you are already logged in, it will directly download the zip file, otherwise it will redirect you to login. As soon as you will log in, the download will start. If you don't have account, you can create a free account also. Now let's move on to the second step, that is place the file at any C drive location. For my setup, I have created an app folder in C drive. Inside app, there is a folder Oracle 19c and I have placed the downloaded zip file here. You can place the file anywhere in the C drive. In the third step, we will extract the file in the DB home folder. To do that, right click on the zip file and click on the extract file and change the destination path to DB home and click OK. It will start the extraction process and you will see the DB home folder is being created. Wait for download to complete. It will take some time, so enjoy the music. Let's move on to the step 4, the installation of Oracle 19c. To do that, go to the DB home folder and double click on the setup. Allow the app to make changes in the device, so click on yes. Now first terminal, then Oracle 19c database logo and then Oracle installer will appear. That will guide you in the installation process. Now in the first step, there is two options. Create and configure instance database. It will create a database also. And second option is setup software only. Generally you need to create a database after software installation is done. So I will choose the first option and then click next. In the second step you have to choose desktop class or server class. As I am installing on my desktop, so I will choose desktop and click next. The third step, it is asking for a Windows user that will run the Oracle services. It has different options like use virtual account, use existing Windows user, create new window user and use Windows built-in account. It's better to create a new Windows user for Oracle. So I will select Oracle new Windows user and then provide the details like username and password and confirm password and then click on next. Here you have noticed that the installation steps changes according to our selection. This step is very important. Here you see the software location given as db_home. This is the region we have extracted the file as db_home folder. The default option is good here. You can make the changes if you want to, but I will keep the default option. Check the global database name and the PDB database name. Provide password for your database. This password will be used for the database connection. Click on next. This is the warning for the weak password and asking me if I want to continue. I will click yes. Now it will check for the prerequisite and then provide us the summary. If everything is okay, click on install. Now the installation process will start and it may ask for the firewall access. Click on allow access to give app the firewall permissions and then enjoy the music as it will take some time to install. copy the Oracle administrator URL and then click on close. Now in the fifth step of the tutorial, we will configure the database or create an admin user, you may say. To do that, we will open SQL Plus and then connect to the database with sysuser. You don't need password here, just press enter for password. What I am doing here is I am creating an admin account and giving all the permission that it needs for database administration. You will find all the code on my website travelandtech.net. Now in the last or the sixth step of the tutorial, we will connect the database with the SQL Developer. To do that, open the SQL Developer, click on the plus sign on the left side of the window, it is the green sign, and create a connections. Provide the details like connection name, username and the password that we have just created as a command. Click on set and give hostname as localhost, port is 1521 and SID is equal to ORCLs. Click on test to test the connection. You will find the connection is successful. Then save the connections. I am getting error, just the connection name is not correct. So I will correct the connection name and then save the connections. Now in the right side of the window you will see the connection is being created. You can click on the connections and then a pop-up will appear to give the password, the username and password you will provide, and the connection will be successful. And the left side of the window drag down, you can click on that the database and then you can see all the tables, function and all the details of the database. Hope you enjoyed this video. Have fun and let's learn and explore together. Please share and subscribe to the channel for more information.